What's going on, everyone? Joe back with Grilled Joe's Barbecue, and today we have a brand new cooker, something I have been wanting to add to my channel forever. We have a Kamado Cooker from London Sunshine. They reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to try one of their products, and I jumped on it. I cannot wait to get this open. We'll get it opened up, we'll get it built, we'll give it like a roundabout view of it, and then the next video we'll get to cooking on it. I've been a little sick, so might be a little less on the talking today, more on the building and looking at it, and then we'll get another cook video out soon. So let's get into what comes in this 15-inch cooker and what you could expect from London Sunshine. First things first, you gotta open her up. Getting into it, of course you have your instructions on how to build it. That looks nice. Thank you, important. How to register your product. Nice packaging. Ooh, very heavy duty. That right there. Doesn't feel like it's cheap right out of the box. It feels thick, sturdy, like it's gonna last, which I like. The package did look a little beat up from shipping, but that beautiful red ceramic Kamado Cooker. The box may have looked a little beat up, but this thing completely fine. The assembly on this is very simple. We have our cross piece that goes together here, and then just some simple brackets, the legs going on, and then you're just putting the Kamado Cooker right on top of it, and it's pretty much done. Should be a super easy assembly. These cross sections, you have the side that have this felt on it. That's gonna be put together in one, and then this one doesn't have the felt on it. That will be put together as one as well. I gotta get all this plastic wrap off. They really wrap this nicely. Gotta take these little end caps off the bolts that are sticking straight up. And this goes right on there. Make sure you have the logo reading the right way. Very nice. With that spring system in the back, very easy to open and close. Has this really nice gasket all the way around on bottom and top. Really thick ceramic, just sinks down. That feels great. That spring assist really helps. I like that a lot. I don't know how all the other ones are because I've never had one before, but that is very nice. This is your top part. It just fits right on top there. You can adjust your levels by spinning the top guy, or if you want to go full blast, full throttle, you can spin the whole thing open. So we have our grate here. As I opened this up, I was thinking, man, that doesn't seem safe for this to just sit on there, but there's actually a hole right here on the side, and there's a bolt and washer, or a bolt and nut. So I'm gonna put that on, and there's a hole on the side of this, so you just gotta line them up, then go in from the bottom and screw that in there. Now that's going nowhere. All right, so on the inside, we'll get rid of, oh man, these things are tight in there. There we go. The opening side, there's a gap here, is where your vent is, or else it wouldn't work right. Back down in there, nice and careful. Like so. Then this piece goes in here. And this goes in there. Now I thought there was a diffuser you'd put in here to smoke with, but this does not have one in it. So it will be interesting to try this out. This is, not super deep. So what we'll do is, start a little fire in here and put some wood in, get some smoke and get all these chemicals and all the manufacturing grease burnt out of it on our first cook. And then we'll just have to play around with it. We'll try, doing some wood on one side, charcoal wood on one side, and then try to put something small, maybe a tri-tip or something over here on the other side. Get a nice smoke going and see how it does holding smoke low and slow, play around with the dampers and the bottom vent, and just, really try out all the aspects of cooking on this thing. I'm real excited about it. I think it will be really cool also to do like some steaks in it. If you have some charcoal and wood on one side, and you can put your steaks on the other side and smoke them, and then put them on the side that had the heat, and then sear them. Not a huge cooking area, it's only a 15-inch, so you don't have a ton of space, but you can, cook for a small family on a 15-inch cooker, just like the 14.5-inch Weber Smoky Mountain I have out there. I've cooked a ton of food on that. So I can't wait to get started on this, try it out, see all the different types of cooks we can do. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see what we cook on this first. And thank you so much for London Sunshine for sending this out, and I cannot wait to get cooking on it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.